How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's show you on how you can add drain holes in Lychee Slicer. Now it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to just click on the model itself. And from there, you want to click on the supports, raft, and hollowing option. So it's going to be this one. Now, as a side note, you only have the ability to use hollowing if you get their premium subscriptions. If you're on the free versions, unfortunately, you cannot go ahead and do this. So inside the prepare option, navigate through supports, and at the side of your screen, there will be the holes option. Basically, it's going to look something like this. You just want to click on the holes option. And then, of course, you have the ability to widen out the diameter, and same thing with the penetration. So you want to select cylinder in order to make that circular hole. And then it's as easy as clicking on the model itself, and it will automatically place that specific drain hole onto our model. Once again, you can modify this by twisting or editing the diameter and penetration. And from there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.